If you're ready to start an LLC in Puerto Rico, you're at the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to set up your own LLC in Puerto Rico so you can do it yourself without any confusion. So by the end, you have everything you need to form your company in Puerto Rico, get your tax ID number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. We'll cover the real costs, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. Plus, this setup works perfectly if you're a US resident trying to lower your taxes through a Puerto Rico setup. I'm gonna keep this practical and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. Now first, let's talk about why choose Puerto Rico for your LLC in the first place. And the most obvious reason is that it's the best option if you already live in Puerto Rico, or if you're an international entrepreneur willing to become a bona fide resident. But besides that, there are some compelling business benefits that make Puerto Rico attractive for LLC formation. First, Puerto Rico offers major advantages under the Incentive Code, which is Act 60 that incorporated earlier Acts 20 and 22. Qualifying export services companies may face tax rates as low as around 4%, and qualifying resident individuals may receive full exemption on dividends, interest, and long-term capital gains. This is a huge advantage compared to the mainland US tax rates. Second, Puerto Rico has US territory status, which means it operates under US federal laws with a dollar currency, IP protection, and banking regulations, but it has its own tax jurisdiction status. You basically get the best of both worlds here. The one thing to keep in mind though is that these tax incentives aren't automatic. You must file the right applications, meet bona fide residency or business activity tests, and observe local filings and deadlines. Missing these rules can result in benefits being revoked or penalties imposed. So Puerto Rico can be a smart choice for the right business model and life setup, but it's not as simple as set up an LLC and forget it. Now before we jump into forming the LLC, let's quickly go over what a limited liability or LLC company is. Now before we go over forming the LLC, let's quickly go over what a limited liability company or LLC is. And an LLC basically combines the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. So basically, it generates a separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. LLCs are one of the more popular business structures for a good reason. Now here's what trips up a lot of people. You absolutely need a registered agent in Puerto Rico for your company. And the registered agent will act as your official representative in Puerto Rico. They receive legal documents and government notices. They need to have a physical address in Puerto Rico itself. They communicate with the authorities and must be available during business hours. Now let's say this is required by law for every single LLC. Now let's say you use your home address or another address as the registered agent. Now that information now gets put on the public record. Anyone can look up your LLC and see your personal address. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss service of process, which can lead to default judgments or losing your rights. That's why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy by using a commercial address instead of your home, ensures someone is readily available to receive official mail and forward it to you. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally, they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the whole process really straightforward. Now to follow along, you can go to the link in the description or type in buyhustle.com/Northwest. This will then bring us to the page of Northwest, where we can see $39 LLC formation service. Here we want to select our state. Now, including here is also Puerto Rico all the way at the bottom. So we select that and then we click on Get Started. Then it asks us what type of business we would like to start, LLC, corporation, or non-profit. Of course, we're going to select LLC. And now on the right, we will also see the pricing. As you can see, the basic package for Northwest is just $39, and Puerto Rico one-day processing for the state filing fee is $250. So from here we can click continue, and now we can get into the details of our actual company. So first, what would you like your business name to be? Now for this name, it needs to be unique in Puerto Rico and needs to end with limited liability company or LLC. So I will go with Vector Tube LLC. Then the second question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. If this is relevant for you, you can select yes. For most people, including myself, I'm going to select no. Then we have the physical address you want on record with the state and the mailing address. I would highly recommend setting this at the registered agent address of Northwest, which is going to be on record with the state. for full privacy. Then we click continue. This is the company management. You have two options, member or manager managed. I would highly recommend sticking with member managed, especially if you're going to run a single member LLC. You can fill in your first and last name and again put it on the registered agent address. If there are multiple owners, you can add a member and then fill in the details right here. Then for the contact information, simply fill in your own personal details. This is not going to be put on any of the public records. It's just for Northwest to complete this purchase and communicate with you. Then we can go to the business identity. This is an optional item. I would recommend not getting this. It is a website, email address, phone number. I would highly recommend disabling this. You can also get this elsewhere, and it's not free, it's actually a trial. However, on the next page for the optional items right here, there is something we absolutely need, and that is the tax ID, also known as the EIN or Employer Identification Number. You need this to open a business bank account, file taxes, and basically do anything official with your LLC. Now you could technically get this yourself through the IRS, but it's a lot of hassle. So just for the time saving alone, whether you are a resident or a non-resident, I would recommend letting Northwest handle this for you. Then we have some other options, trademark filing, S corporation election with the IRS, not relevant for us. And even if you would need this, you could also get it later. Then we can go to the payment. You can see the total pricing. So the base package for Northwest, the processing fee for Puerto Rico and the EIN, so it's a total of $339 right here. And talking about pricing, let me show you the complete breakdown of the initial formation cost and ongoing annual cost. So as seen before, Puerto Rico state filing fee $250, the Northwest filing fee $39, and the EIN service $50, which comes down to a total of $339 up front. But that's not everything. There will also be ongoing annual cost. You need to file an annual statement in Puerto Rico, which is $150 per year, as well as the Northwest registered agent fee of $125. So the total annual price to keep your LLC compliant is $275 in Puerto Rico. And I'm telling you this up front because you need to factor in these recurring costs into your business planning. It's not just a one-time expense. And after you complete the formation process with Northwest, it's going to take between 1 and 7 business days, usually around 2 to 3, but this is the range. EIN processing can take a little longer. If you are a resident of the United States, it's going to be about 1 to 2 weeks if you choose to do it through Northwest. And then once everything has been filed, this is everything you will receive. First, access to the company dashboard inside Northwest from where you can manage your company info, the filings and the documents. You receive your article of organization, official proof that your LLC is legally formed and active in the state. You will have your own designated registered agent address from Northwest in Puerto Rico for your business. You'll receive the EIN number, again your business tax ID used for all your LLC operations and communicating with the tax authorities, and your LLC branding. This will be the name you will be operating from, so your official business identity. Now of course, let's also talk about Puerto Rico taxation. And Puerto Rico LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, which means you do not pay taxes at the business level. Everything is passed through to the personal level. However, this is not automatic. You have to file the right election under Puerto Rico tax rules, and if you don't, your LLC might be taxed like a regular corporation. And the most attractive benefits come from Puerto Rico's incentive code known as Act 60, and it used to be Act 20 and 22. And if your business or you as an individual qualify, you can get very low tax rates. And if your business or you as an individual qualify, you can get extremely low tax rates. Tax rates like 4% corporate tax for certain types of businesses that export services, and big tax exemptions for individuals who move to Puerto Rico and qualify under Act 60. However, even if you qualify for these incentives, you may still owe US federal taxes on income that comes from outside Puerto Rico. That's why it's very important to correctly separate Puerto Rico sourced income from US sourced income. This can get complicated fast, so it's best to work with an expert who understands both Puerto Rico and US tax laws. Now lastly, let's also talk about the required annual filings and penalties in Puerto Rico. And this is crucial, so please pay attention. Every Puerto Rico LLC must file its annual statement and pay the $150 fee by April 1st each year, starting after the year you form your LLC. And missing the deadline can trigger late filing penalties. Now this can be up to $750 for LLCs in many cases, and if you fail to comply for 2 consecutive years, the Secretary of State may cancel your LLC completely. And honestly, I've seen people lose their LLCs because they forgot about this filing. Alright, so let's wrap it up. Puerto Rico offers unique unique tax advantages for territorial residents and qualifying businesses, especially with those tax incentives under Act 60. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant with all the requirements. Again, for all the resources I mentioned, I've left links down below in the description. They help support the channel and get you a better deal when forming your own LLC. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.